Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. Yeah, on the LINK chart we have a potential top in place of that B wave that we talked about. So we might actually be coming down in this C wave. We have broken the initial level. I think it was around $15.30. I mentioned that to you in yesterday's video. However, we haven't got enough confirmation yet to really fully, let's say, confirm that the C wave to the downside has started. I want to start just with a with a review of the 4-hour chart again. It is the level that we've been watching for many weeks now, and this pattern here that is unfolding within this trend channel in this potential diagonal pattern. Yeah, so primary scenario is still the white wave count. Obviously, you can see on the chart we only really have 3 waves up so far of the September lows, no, June lows actually. So we only have 3 waves up so far. We could now be in the 4th wave. That's been the expectation for several weeks. And the expectation was also that this move will take a while. Yeah, this current corrective pattern could take a few weeks to play out, if not even a few months probably. And or at least, more than a month, because that is sort of the length the wave 2 took as well, right? So the idea is now in this wave 4, I talked really so much in previous videos about the structure of the wave 4, no need to repeat that in every video, but the idea is that this is an ABC structure that is playing out, and the C wave to the downside is basically what is still missing. So in the last few days we've been watching for signals that this C wave to the downside is starting. I cannot fully confirm it, but we have an initial indication that this C wave has topped at least, okay? So the C wave has likely topped. Look, if this is going to turn into a larger A, B, C structure, I don't know. That's what the market will decide. Therefore, I explained to you the best confirmation to really have that the B wave has topped will be a break below the A wave low at $12.90, but breaking below the micro support levels that I indicated will level by level increase probabilities that the B wave has actually topped. I gave you the $15.30 level as first one. That was here, and that was a good signal, because a break below that sent it down quite a bit to the trend line. So trend line is obviously another support level to watch. Below that we have that E wave low at $14.30, and then the best confirmation that we are in the C wave, but also the latest or last confirmation you can get is the break below $12.90. So essentially the red zone, as the support boxes are support zones and potential long trade areas, the red zones are resistance areas, potential short trade areas. Depends on your strategy, but what I know is that our support was respected and the resistance as well. Yes, it can still get back into resistance, absolutely, but I'm now watching for more signals if the C wave has started. What would be a target for the C wave? Well, let's take the length of the A wave. Let's go to the high of the B wave. And then typically what we're watching for is the 100% extension as the first key level. That's at around $12.78 and very, very close to the 23.6 retracement. The 1.618 extension, which is another key level, is at $10.94. So ideally in this region we are going to land, between $12.80 roughly and $10.90. This is a key area to watch. Once we get closer, we can specify that further. Again, at the moment, I cannot rule out an extension in the B wave. That always has to be expected in these corrections. It is just what it is. So all eyes, I think, now need to be on that trend line. Breaking that would be additional confirmation that the move to the downside has started and is now unfolding, whereas a break above yesterday's high, which was actually the Tuesday high, Wednesday high, here at $16.17, that would confirm that the B wave is still unfolding and extending, which it can do, because look, it's all about the parameters. It hasn't even broken above resistance, so it can of course still go back and do that if it needs to do that. That's my update about LINK. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. You can find the links for those channels in the description. There's additional content about Elliott Wave trading, some signals and so on every single day. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.